How to repost post on Instagram. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to repost post on Instagram, whether you want to share a friend's post or something you found inspiring. I've got a super easy method for you, so let's get started. First things first, open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now find the post you want to repost. Now once you found the post that you want to repost, simply tap on the share icon which is right beside the comment section. Here you can find an option that says add to story. Simply tap on it. And as you can see, our post or someone else's post has been reposted in our story. You can also customize the post. Now simply tap on your story and you can view it. Now you can view that you have reposted a post of your friend or anyone that you find inspiring. And that's it. That's how you can simply repost an Instagram post in Instagram.